If you are a student looking to further your education in Australia and worried about funding, well, we have a great news. A fully funded Awards Scholarships Australia is a program designed for brightest minds in education. In this video, Dr. Muhammad Ikram will explain the complete process of this scholarship. If you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all our future videos on time. Let's go to computer screen and start the process.
Hello and welcome to my computer screen. Fully funded Australia Award Scholarships 2023 and 2024 for Bachelor, Master and PhD program. SRJAFRICA is a unique platform that provides the valuable information of scholarship, research and jobs. The main mission of the SRJAFRICA is to develop a sustainable future in this world. Applications are open to apply for the award scholarship in Australia. This is a wonderful opportunity for international students. So this scholarship is for Bachelor, Master and PhD program. So there are several scholarship opportunities are now open. So on this video, I'm going to talk about how you can apply, what is eligibility criteria, document do you need to prepare for this scholarship, what is the application procedure, and finally I will share some contact information of this scholarship. So quickly we will start the first talk about the table of contents, eligibility, financial benefits, required documents, application process, and application timeline, and finally contact information. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So there is a list of countries that are eligible for this scholarship. Asian region, so there are some countries from Asia. So here are some list of the countries where you can see these countries are only eligible for award scholarship in Australia 2023 and 2024. So first of all, the Asia, then Pacific region countries, Africa, Algeria, Botswana, Democratic Republic of Congo, and other African countries are eligible for this scholarship. Then Middle East, in the Palestinian territories, the students from these territories are also eligible for this scholarship. So next is eligibility about the minimum of the 18 years of age. So if your age is 18 years, so then you're eligible for this scholarship. So if you are applying for the bachelor program, if your age is below 18, so in this case you are not eligible for the scholarship. The second eligibility criteria is the citizen of the participating countries as listed on the Australia Award website. So same, you can also check the list of countries, the same list of countries that basically I got this information from the award scholarship website. So these citizens only eligible for this scholarship. Third is not to be a citizen of Australia, hold a permanent residency in Australia, or be applying for a visa and live in Australia permanently. So if you have a PR, mean permanent residency, or if you are Australian citizen, or if you are planning to live in Australia permanently, it means your documentation in progress. So in this case also, you are not eligible for this scholarship. The next eligibility criteria is not to be married to or engaged or de facto of a person who holds or eligible to hold Australian or New Zealand's citizenship or permanent residency at any time during the application. So during the application or before applying, if you married to a Australian or New Zealand, if you are engaged or any other relationship you have, mean legal relationship, not like you mean the not some relationship has no documents. So in this case, no. But if your relationship is documented in any department in Australia, so in this case, you are also not eligible for this scholarship. Okay, next is not be current serving military personnel. If you are working as a soldier in army of any of the country that listed above, so in this case you are also not eligible for this scholarship. Not have previously received a long-term Australian award unless they have resided outside of Australia for twice the length of the total time that were in Australia. For example, a previous awardee who has been on Australia Award Scholarship in Australia for 4 years will not be eligible to apply for another Australian award scholarship until they have resided outside Australia for 8 years. So this is also another interesting and critical requirement for international student. In this case, if you have already a long-term Australian award scholarship and you have to live outside of Australia for 8 years, then you will be eligible for again if you want to apply for a award scholarship in Australia. So this is very strict requirement, eligibility criteria of the award scholarship Australia. And then we have the applicants must inform the program area of the connection or relationship to staff employed at program area. So it means if there is any element of nepotism, any favoritism, or you have any financial or the personal relationship with any other staff who are dealing with this scholarship, in this case also, you will be disqualified if you will get a scholarship. So because this scholarship program they have a fair and free and transparent merit evaluation criteria. So if you will have any relationship with someone from any committee member or who is screening out your application, so in this case you are also not eligible for this scholarship. Okay, after this, the second important and attractive part of this scholarship is the financial benefits. So in the financial benefits, there are different benefits are included. Complete tuition fee waive off. Okay, so 100% exemption of your tuition fee. The second is the return air travel tickets. So return air ticket, travel ticket is also included in this scholarship in financial benefits. So university will provide you a return ticket opportunities if you will be granted this scholarship. Establishment allows a once only payment as a contribution towards accommodation expenses, textbook, and study material. So there are some lump sum amount of money once you will be there, once you will arrive in the university in Australia. So they will give you establishment allowance that for your contribution of accommodation expenses, your textbook, and study material. So this allowance is only one time the students will be granted once they will win the scholarship. Contribution to living expenses. Okay, so if you are living outside the campus, so in this case, or whatever the policy of the university is, so you will also be granted the living expenses. Okay, next is the overseas student health cover. So also there is a health insurance benefits to international students. The day you start and the day you finish your program, so you will be 100% insured, health insured. Okay, the next is the pre-course English fee is if deemed necessary. PCA may be available for students for in country and are in Australian training. If there will be any training, any course, any program, so university will also bear these expenses for the international students. Supplementary academic support, any kind of support, for example, scholarly academic success relating to your research related different benefits, maybe databases, softwares, or any related, sometimes conferences, allowances. So university also paying to international students. Field work, research award, master by course, which has a research component. So this is about the research also. Okay, so these are the different financial benefits. I believe this is very attractive and this is very good, and this is fully funded scholarships. So I believe this is a very amazing opportunity for international students. The next important is the documents do you need. Okay, now here we have two different categories of documents. Number one is the generic list of documents that you need for all types of scholarship, and we have also country to country there are some specifications. So first I'm going to talk about some generic list of documents. So and then we also will show where you have to get more information according to your country requirement of these documents that you have to prepare for this scholarship. Okay, the first one is the passport copy. Yes, you need for all where you are applying for any country, you need the passport copy. And number two is the CV. Number third is the cover letter. Number four is the transcript plus diploma. Number fifth is the two recommendation letters. Also, I will provide the link of these recommendation letters. There is a template. This university also uploaded on their website. So link is in the description. So you can download and you can fill, ask your professor, and will give you two different professor will give you two recommendation letter. That is the mandatory requirement of the scholarship. Then English proficiency certificate. Yes, in some countries there is a different requirement of English proficiency certificate. In some countries different. So I will also show how you can get the exact information of English proficiency certificate yeah, according to your country. Okay, so I will show when we will talk about the specific list of the documents. Next is the research proposal and study plan. Just research proposal for PhD and study plan is for the master program. So if there is a simple master, a generic master program, you have to only provide the study plan. But if there is a research based master, then you have to provide a research proposal. But normally research proposal is for PhD program and study plan is for the master program. Okay, the next is employment certificates. If you have any job experience before, if you have any internship experience before, unpaid or paid internship, so I believe you must attach this document because these kind of documents really help you to win the scholarship. And then we have non-objection certificate, NOC. If you are the part of any government sector, you are currently working in a government sector, in the public sector, that department will have to give you a non-objection certificate, like you are going for a scholarship abroad to another country. So this is also one of the mandatory requirements of Award Scholarship Australia 2023 and 2024. Okay, now let's talk about some specific requirement, if any, apart from these generic list of documents. If there is something else, so you have to first go to this, and all the links are available in the description. Okay, so I'm just, for example, opening any country here. For example, Pakistan. I'm going to open the Pakistan. So here we have the Pakistan information for a student reward intake commencing 2024. So there is a PDF file. Okay, so here you can see applying for an Australian Award Scholarship. So Australian Award Scholarship in Pakistan. So here the complete information of this scholarship is available, but I am explaining this video, same information is available, and you have to open according to your country listed on their website. Okay, so I'm going to show about the requirement of the any specific documents requirement. For example, complete development impact and linkage plan template is available in the on the Australian Award Pakistan website closer to the application opening date. Yes, this is a specific document. You have to also prepare a complete development impact and linkage plan. So where is, you have to go to the website, Pakistan Australia Award website, to application opening, near to application opening date. So you can go, you can download the template and you can fulfill, and you have to attach this important document. Okay, next is tertiary degree certificate, bachelor and master. Both sides of all degrees should be copied. Then academic transcript. Okay, then detail curriculum vitae, means your CV. Okay, then IELTS, TOEFL or PTE results valid as at 1 January 2024. So this is also another requirement. Okay, so they are accepting 3 different international proficiency certificate for Pakistani students: IELTS, TOEFL or PTE. Pearson English Academic, I have already explained in many of my previous videos. PTE academic is comparatively easier than IELTS and TOEFL. And then we have the academic reference reports, 2 reports from master by research applicants, 1 for the master by coursework applicants. Okay, so these are the different requirements. Then employments reference report, same template as above, and NOC non-objection certificate. So here you can see this is the one type of requirement. If we go to an other country, for example, go to Bangladesh in case. So here we go to Bangladesh and open this file, and here we see there are some other informations is available according to the country context. Okay, so Australian Award benefits are the same, eligibility criteria is the same, and we have to only pay attention to the documents. So here is the required documents: passport, tertiary degree, academic transcript, IELTS, TOEFL, or PTA certificate valid at Jan 2023. For Pakistan, it was 2024, and for Bangladesh is Jan 2023. So you can see how is the some different documents requirements differ from one country to another. And we have development plan impact. Okay, curriculum vitae, if employed, master by coursework applicant, 2 reports, 1 academic, 1 professional. Okay, master by research. For applicant from the government, Bangladesh, proof of the service, means a certificate of your experience. Okay, additional documents for the master by research applicant. So you can see here there are some differences from other country to Bangladesh. So in this case, you have to be very careful. You have to read all the requirement mentioned in this specific country documents file. So you have to open and you have to read one by one, and then you have to fulfill all the requirement what the university asking for. Okay, let's go back to our main file. All right. So I hope you understand these different requirements of documents. Then we have the application process. Let me show. We have the different institutional list. So once you will be granted, I mean, at the time of applying, you have to be also mention the name of the university when you will fill the application form of institution list. Okay, so I'm gonna show what are the different institute are covered by this award scholarship in Australia. So here is the list of the participating institutions. So this is the list of institute in Australia. So if you will be granted the fully funded scholarship, so then you have to go among any of this university mentioned in this file. Okay, so I will also provide the link in the description, so you can also get this information of this university. So you can also check the QS ranking. You can go to the university website. You can check the different programs, the repute of the universities. Okay, so it's much easier for you to take this decision which university is the best for you, and according to the international standards or ranking. So I believe it will not be difficult to take this decision. Okay, let's go back. Now I'm gonna show the application process. So here is the link available: Online Australian Scholarship Information System, OASIS. Click on it. Okay, and it's a very simple process. You have to first register. So I have already created an account. Okay, now we are in the interface. So here is the, you have to simply click on the application. Okay, and create new application, and then you have to select the Australia Awards Scholarship. Okay, next. And Australia Award Scholarship 2024 session. Next. And here you have to fill all the information: your title, your family name, your given name, date of birth, place of birth, gender, everything. Save and go to the next step. Then they will ask you to upload all the documents, and you have then simply submit the application. So I believe it will take maximum 5 to 10 minutes if your documents are ready. So convert into a PDF format, fill the information here, go to the next step, upload all the required documents, and submit your application. So it's a very simple process. Okay, and then we have to go back to our main file, and the next part is the application timeline. The last day to apply for the Australia Award Scholarship is the May 1st, 2023. So I believe it is have more than a month. So you can easily fulfill the requirement and you can apply for this scholarship. Okay, so and finally we talk about the contact us. So now every country has a country office and also a website. So I'm going to show how, in case if you will have any further query, so you can send an email to country office Award Scholarship Australia, and you can inquire any further information. If you have any further queries, so please leave a comment. I would like to answer all your queries on time. So simply click on the country office. Okay, so here we are going to see number one is also available this information in country contact, Asia, Bangladesh. So this is the email for Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, Indonesia. So here we can see the list of all the countries, offices, email addresses are available. Or if you want to go more details about their physical address, so also for example in Bangladesh, I'm just as for an example, again go to the file and go to the end of this. So here is the Australia Award Bangladesh. Telephone number is available and email also available, and the website is also available here. So you can get more information regarding your country context, and you have to then submit all the required documents and fill all the application information on their portal and submit the application. So I believe this is a very simple, easy, and is in within 5 to 10 minutes I believe you can submit this application. So I hope you understand this simple and easy process. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all my future videos on time. See you in the next video with a more valuable content and fully funded scholarship information. Take care. Have a good day.